Yes, we are so happy to sign agreement with Mr. Alpha. And now, you see, we received 10,000 euro. 10,000 euro. Yes. So for him to purchase Henry QT4-20 block making machine. Yeah. Some money.
Yeah, contact.
Alpha.
Yes.
And I warmly welcome you to visit Henry Legend block machine company. And because Mr. Alpha, he's our old friends. You know why we're talking about he's our old friends? Because Mr. Alpha has already made a down payment about 5,000 Europe pounds, right?
Yes.
Europe,
Yes.
online. So this time he came down to visit Henry Intelligent block machine company just to inspect his block machine and to try to check how the block machine manufacturer and to see who is Isaac and who is Ellie. Yeah.
Yes.
So Mr. Alpha, welcome you again to
Yes.
visit our
Thank
company.
you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Very good. Thank you.
The first question I want to ask is where do you come from?
Yes. Thank you. I'm Alpha, and
Yeah.
I come from Belgium.
Okay.
Belgium. Yes, to come here to visit you,
Yep.
and I'm very happy to be here because before this we are always talking on the phone, writing messages and everything. So now I come here to see really what is the meaning.
Yep.
What you are making, if you are making really good things or yes. And I'm very happy and very proud to see it. That is real.
Yeah.
Everything we are talking on the phone, now I see it is very real.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. It's better. It's better for everybody who plan to buy the block machine, especially who want to really and seriously to invest the block production in their country, because just like what we think is the block machine is just like the car. So the technology of the car and the quality of the car is should be the first one. But the second important, that means you have to spend the time and energy to be the maintenance.
Yes.
Because like you have to exchange the filter of the oil for the motor, right?
For the car. Yes.
For the car, and
yes.
you have to exchange the engine oil after maybe 10,000 kilometers. So like the block machine is also very important for the customer, how to maintain a block machine.
Yes.
For every day you have to clear, right? You clear your block machine, and also you have to do some grease or to the column for the block machine. I think that one is more important. So our company warmly welcome every customer to visit our factory to check and inspect their block machine and to check how the block machine is made and fabricated, and also try to study as more as they can when they see in our factory. Yeah. And the second one I want to talk about is there's very funny stories for Mr. Alpha to come down to China, because even for me, I visited a lot of Africa countries, Tanzania, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, because I can try to think about it. It's for a foreigner who is go outside, it's very difficult and very hard to for the visitor, for the tourist, because Alpha, when they land down at Qingdao, the airport, his mobile phone cannot work in China, but it gave me a very big surprise that Mr. Alpha managed himself and tried to get some phone and to buy the tickets by himself without our favor and any help. I feel very sorry for that. I didn't to supply any assist to him, but finally, he found us, and he arrived at our city, Linyi city. Yeah, Congratulations.
Thank
And,
you, thank
finally
you.
we saw you.
Yes, for me it was a very pleasure to discover China.
Yeah.
To traveling by alone, you know, I live in Europe,
Yeah.
so I know a little bit how it work, the things, how you can travel, and yes, and it was very good, and the people in China was they were very how I call that,
Friendly.
friendly. You know, friendly. Everybody was happy to see me when I want to ask something, and I asked them. They don't speak English, but they have here some things, some
Translate. Yeah.
method that you can use. It's very easily to talk with them
Yeah.
with a cell phone. They give you talk something in English or in French. It's translated automatically in Chinese.
Chinese. Yeah.
So they can read it and understand what you want.
Yeah.
So that helped me too much to find you and to find everything here in China.
Yeah.
I was very happy with that.
It's lucky.
People was very friendly. Really, I was happy.
Yeah. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we get back to the business. I think in China there are lots of block machine companies. So and also before you make the final decision to work with our company, and I think you have already done a lot of research about other supplier.
Yes.
Why do you make your final decision to try to
To
cooperate with
yes, yes,
company?
that's
Yeah.
a very good question.
Yeah.
That is all is about you yourself, how you are, you and your
Workmates. Yeah,
workmates.
Ellie, yeah.
Ellen. I talk with him and I feel very comfortable, very good. What he tell me was all he tell me is true. So I feel yes, very good with to talk with him. And I talk with other people's, other manufacturers. But with you, I feel good. And now I'm here. I see that what he told me is really what I see is what he told me.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm very happy to be with you and to make this deal with you. And I hope in the future that we can do too much bigger than this. This is only the beginning.
Only the beginning.
Only the beginning.
Just like the model of the block machine you choose is a QT4-20.
The QT4-20.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's also a fully automatic hydraulic block machine, but it's just a middle scale size of the block machine.
Yes.
Yeah. But I think is compared with the bigger block machine, I think this particular model is a good choice for you to start.
This is the good one to start. You know, when you want to be very bigger, you have to start somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
So I think this one is the very good to start.
Yeah.
And then after you always can go bigger and bigger and bigger. But the Q20 is the very good automatically machine. I already saw how it's work. So I think this is the good choice I make.
Yes, yes, you are correct. Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm absolutely proud of the machine.
Yeah.
That
because,
I see.
In fact, the business is not one day stepping. That means you have to spend your time and to try to see how this block business is going on. Maybe after half a year, you will get to know how to manage a block factory more better.
Yes.
And we hopefully your block business will go faster.
I hope it. I hope it also.
Yeah, in the future you will expand your production for the blocks
for the biggest
machine.
Machine. Yes.
And also, I hope you can use our block machine, try to get more better quality of the blocks.
Yes, I hope it too. I was very, how I call that?
To build a house.
Yes, to build a house. I was very confident how I see the working of the machine. You know, It's not difficult. It's very easy to work with it.
Yep.
If you know what to do, it's very easy, and you get a production, and it's also fast. Every 3-5 seconds you have 5 blocks that get in that making. So it's very good. You can easily make a very good production, much production, and it's very solid. Yes.
Yes, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much.
I
Thank
hope,
you so much. Yeah, Mr. Alpha.
Thank you.
If you don't mind, I just would like you to use your how to say the mother language.
Yes.
Maybe the French.
The French to explain.
Yeah, to
yes.
paint what the real feeling to to other, because there's lots other countries where they speak French, like Guinea, Senegal, Togo, Benin.
Yes.
So what do you want to talk with them? Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Voilà. Bonjour, bonjour, bonsoir. Ça dépend où vous êtes, mes chers amis. Et voilà, je suis à Lini, Shandong. Voilà, pour visiter une machine, la machine de QT420. Je suis très content de l'avoir visité et voilà, je vais l'acheter parce que c'est une très bonne machine. J'ai vu comment elle fonctionne et c'est vraiment très facile de l'utiliser avec une très bonne qualité de briques. Et ensuite, voilà, la production, vous pouvez produire beaucoup de briques. C'est vraiment suffisant pour un début. La 20 est la meilleure machine pour commencer. Et chez eux ici, je suis vraiment très ravi d'avoir fait le choix de travailler avec eux parce qu'ils sont vraiment des gens très généreux. Et ce qu'ils disent, tout ce qu'ils m'ont dit au téléphone avant d'arriver ici, quand je suis arrivé, ça a été vraiment la réalité de ce qu'ils m'ont expliqué. Donc j'ai visité la machine, j'ai vu comment ils produisent leur machine. C'est vraiment du bonne qualité. La soudure est très bien faite. Donc c'est une machine très solide. C'est une machine que je recommanderais à toute personne qui veut commencer à travailler avec les machines pour produire des briques. Je suis vraiment satisfait. Et merci.
Merci.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Yes.
Alpha. Thank you
Okay.
for the view.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank
Yes.
you.
Merci.